Thank you. Let's start the stream. Welcome back to the stream. You don't know big and serious. You don't know this is Will Done representing the Gucci, the Caribbean, the Greens era. If you didn't know, Crafting Corner is now live. It is now called the Crafting Corner Live. If you didn't know, now you know. And it's that. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Baby, baby. That was the indication from the change the screen to this one. If you didn't know, now you know. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. And no, we don't make no joke. And we're not too serious either. You know what I'm saying, man? Yeah, we don't make no joke, but we're not serious too much either. We're playing with spiders. What about the ciders? Do you enjoy them on your burgers? Do you enjoy ciders on your burgers? I enjoy ciders on my burgers. Do you enjoy ciders on your burgers? I enjoy ciders on my burgers. I enjoy ciders on my burgers. So yeah, guys, welcome back. Sorry for the glitch. Sorry for the little cut off earlier on. You know what I'm saying? But we're back again in this segment. We are going to hold on. Let me. Can I should record. I should definitely record. Record, boss. Right, oh. You ready again? Welcome again to the Pt.2 Green Show. You know how we go. We are about to do this full screen. Right, show all you the scene. Big and serious. As I said, this won't take long, but it seems like we're going a little extra mile today because of the cutoff. Since you cut off, we don't take in that. Thank you. Thank you. Hail up. Welcome. Jones. Oi. Elias Williams. Hail up. Setting up the stream, broskies. Setting up the stream. 1 second. Setting up the stream. Make it look nice and ding. Yes. Well, before we go ahead, wow, we have 23 viewers up in here. Are you kidding? Wow, welcome guys. Welcome. Big up to everybody in the chat. Big up to everybody. Wow, spam your islands from your country. This is the first time we had 23 people up inside there at one time. But guess what? We are also live on TikTok. We are live on Twitch. And we are live on YouTube. I am happy to see so much people inside here. Thank you. Welcome. Please stay as long as possible. Guys, we are coming from Kaisenat. I did sign up for the Stream Universe. I didn't get through. I just, you know what I mean, did a little video earlier on. I hope he understand that I'm aiming to get there one day, you know? But anyhow, so fam, how you doing? I'ma come back tomorrow. Sure, why not? We will be streaming tomorrow. Yeah, why not? Twitch every day. I mean, 6 people up inside here. Well, still, all you welcome. We're still happy to see so much people up inside here. Immediate favors. I want to put your name on the paper before you go on the yellow paper. We want to put you on the studio wall because you commented, okay? When you comment during our stream, you get your name on the wall, please. Please stick around for that. Stick around. I'm gonna put your name right now. Broski. 1 second. First of all, we had to put the V guy. Damn. What is that? Valdemar? Valdemar Jones? Valdemar Jones? Yeah, Valdemar Jones. Valdemar Jones, baby. It's Demir Jones. Alright, so first person name on the list is Valdemar Jones. Next, I'm gonna put you here, and next we're gonna put Elias Williams. Thank you, broskies. Thank you for joining the live today, yesterday, and tomorrow. Elias Williams. Oh shit. Elias Williams. One of my best friends in school was Williams Broski. No, that was his surname. He was a Williams. He was Leland Williams. That was one of my best friends back in school. So, thank you for giving us a start. Thank you for giving us a start to doing this, because we was about to do this. We was about to change up the names, switch up the names from where we had it before in the community wall to the new place. So let me show you where the new spot gonna be on the studio wall. Right? Follow me, chat. Follow me, broskies. Show you everything. Show you everything. Right there, so. I'm so happy and grateful for these guys, man. Big up to Elias and Valdemar Jones, man. Big up to Elias and Valdemar Jones. Are you seeing that, right? Big up to Elias and Valdemar Jones, y'all. What do you mean? What do you mean? And it's that. So, we're gonna put back the names on. We're gonna keep putting the names on the community wall. We're gonna remove them from where they were to where they need to be. So, guys, that's the first time we had so much people up inside it. 23 people. So then my stream must always shut down and come back then. So, was I gifted subs and I just crashed? It's kind of weird. But anywho, no random. We putting the names up in no random way. We want to replace I-Nile. We're going to replace I-Nile, and you see it was written in pen, and now we're going to put it in we're going to put it in heavy ink, and it's that heavy ink. I-Nile. Big up to I-Nile wherever you are, broski. You know what I'm saying? Big up to you wherever you are, broski. Big up to you wherever you are, broski. Let's go put it up on the wall, broski. Let me put them in a random way. Like so. You know what I mean? Right, so next we have, so we're done with I-Nile. Let's trash I-Nile, put him aside. Next we're gonna replace Just Cool, bro. Who remember Just Cool, bro? Just Cool, bro. We need to write it over and put it up on a new spot on the wall, broski. Let's do it. Just Cool, bro. Just cool, bro. Y'all see this? Nice. W's. Just cool, bro. Let's go. Come on. I'm sure all of the team go. I'm sure all of the team go. I should put more close there. Just cool, bro. Just cool, bro. Big up all the whole self. Big up all the watching me from right now. Big up all the self. Big up all the self. So, we done with 2 already. 2 out of the way. We done with I-Nal. Done with Just Cool, bro. Next. Who we have next? Who we have next? Who we have in the chat that we had before in the chat? Who is a new, a returning chatter? We have who? Who we have? Prabhak Hood Harry. Prabhak Hood. It was written in pen, so you can't really see too well here. So we definitely have to replace you, broski. P R A. Oh, Prab. Hak. Hood. Harry. Five 5 4 5. Hope we get to meet one day, broski. Hope we get to link up one day. Hope we get to link up one day. Hope we get to link up one day. Hope we come to the studio one day. Hope we collaborate someday. Hope we collaborate someday. Hope we collaborate someday. And it's that. Shit! We're going ahead with life. We're making progress. That's it for Farham Hark. Pab Hark 5545. Parhak Harry. Parhak. Parhak. Wow. Parhak. Parry. Sound like Parrot Harry. Benny here. Big up to your whole self. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Next we have TZA Rushan Meheta. TZA Rushan Meheta. Big up your whole self. TZA ROUSHANMEHTA. Let's go. Big up your whole self, Tizan. Ruran Mihata. Let's put him on the wall. Let's put him on the wall. Let's put him on the wall. Girl, them young away.